So there are 10 guests in Kylie's party. If each guest will be served exactly half pint of ice cream, how many pints of ice cream will she need? Express your answer in the simplest form. So we know that there are total 10 guests. So
Yeah.
total number of guests is 10. If each guest will be served half pint of ice cream, so serving for one guest is half pint. How many pints of ice cream will she need? That means number of pints of ice cream is what we want to find out. I just read the questions statement and wrote down what are the things given. That's all. Any question here?
No.
Okay. So whenever the question is this way, that we are given something which is in total and some total number of things are given and uh, so a particular number is given for one thing, there is a specific formula which can be applied on every question which is of this format. So for example, we have the total number of guests, we have some total, there are number of pints of ice cream that we don't know about, and there is a serving of one guest that is told to us. So if the serving for one guest is half pint, how much is the serving for 10 guests going to be? We
Yeah,
want to
do
make this one
multiple.
10. What can we do? We want to have 10 here instead of 1.
Mm, multiply.
So this is a specific thing that works everywhere. This is called a unitary method. So we multiply 10 on both the sides to make this as a 10. So now, what do you think is the answer? Serving for 10 guests, how much is it going to be?
Uh, you put 10 here. Don't you have to put a 1 on the bottom?
Oh, you want me to put it like that?
Yeah.
Sure, we can do it. This
So
time there's
it's,
multiplication, not adding, subtracting the fractions.
yeah. It's 10 times 1 is 10 and then 2. 10 over 2.
And how much is that?
Simplified.
Yes, they are saying express your answer in the simplest form.
And then divided by 2. It's 5 over 1.
How much is 5 over 1?
Oh. That can't be simplified further, but as what? 5 over 1 as like pins?
Yeah, 5 over 1 pence. If let's say 5 apples are given to one person, how many apples
Yeah.
does one person have?
5.
5. So 5 simply means 5 over 1 simply means 5 only. Anything over 1
Oh.
means that number itself. Anything multiplied
Oh.
by 1 means that number itself.
Actually, I didn't even need help. I did it correct, but I put 5 over 1 instead 5.
Yeah, 5 over 1 is nothing but 5. That is
Yeah,
correct.
that's why it said it was wrong. I get it now.
Oh, it said wrong.
Yeah, I put 5 over 1 and I said wrong.
Okay, let's try once more.